In this class, we are going to learn about the most frequently used component available in Oracle Apex, that is called as chart. Charts in Oracle Apex, these are built on top of Oracle Jet, which is also called as JavaScript Extension Toolkit, the same runtime which powers Oracle Visual Builder as well. So here is the charts available at the time of recording this class that is natively supported out of the box in Oracle Apex, like the area chart, bar chart, box plot, and so on and so forth. We are going to see how we can make use of area chart and plot our customer data beautifully on the Apex application page. For demonstration purpose, I have created this application with the name Demo BL Charts. This is the boilerplate pages which Oracle has added whenever we create a fresh application. In order to create area chart, we have to click on this create page. Before that, I will walk you through the data and the tables available in my Apex instance. For demonstration purpose, I have created one products table that is exclusively for the chart. It is having the ID, name, and the description. And I have created one more table which can store the orders data. This is having the order ID, the product ID, which will be a foreign key, and the link between the two tables, the quantity, the customer, and the customer is most important thing over here. And I have added couple of data for each of the category or the customer over here. So we'll switch over to our application and let's click on this create page. You have a couple of options. You can go with the blank page, then you can add the area chart, that is the region, and you can customize. In order to get the thing simple, I will select this chart. From the create chart, I will select the area chart. Here I will be giving the name as one area chart. Everything I will keep default except this table. I will go with the SQL query and I will be giving our SQL query wherein we will be fetching the product name, the quantity, the customer, the product description, that is from couple of tables. There is a join over here. I will be selecting for one of the customers whose name is skill store 1. Let me paste over here, click on validate, done, click on next. Here it is asking what should be the label. X-axis I want to represent with the product name, that is the product name what we are having it over here, and the y-axis I will mention with the quantity. Let me select the quantity. Maximum rows, that is how many records you want to show in the chart. You can select over here and it will display the same. For more information, you can have a look at documentation page. Click on create page. Our Apex page has been created successfully. And if you see, there is the region with the type as chart. And if you go to the attributes, here we will see what kind of chart it is, area chart, and so on and so forth. Charts are available. We will see one by one in our coming classes. Let's go back to the region. Here you can see all the details which are available for a specific region, that is for the chart, and specifically on the attributes, the orientation, that is the vertical, what is should be the height, and other things are available over here. Currently there is only one series, and if you click on the series, you will see the SQL query which we had given. So this series will show the data for the skill store 1. Series 1 is nothing but in the area chart, it will be taking a specific area in the chart. So it's called as a one series. As it is for this customer, let me copy this name, and in the name I will give this over here and click on save. And other details are available over here, what should be shown in the x-axis. Suppose if you scroll down, you will see all the details. And on the y-axis, specific to the y-axis, all the things are available. You can customize as per your requirement. Let me click on run. So here is how my area chart will look like. So this is the chart, and on the y-axis we are having the quantity, and on the x-axis there is this product name. Now what I will do is I will add one more series over here, that is to demonstrate how the data will look like for a different customer. Here I will add one more customer over here, that is for the corner cafe. Let me copy this and paste the name over here, and in the SQL query also I will remove this customer name and provide the new customer name. Click on OK. Click on save, and I will keep everything default over here, and let's now preview this page. Here if you see, we are having data shown for a couple of customers, that is for corner cafe and the skill store. So this is called as the legend. You can select one and you can uncheck both or check both. It will show the data. Suppose if you hover over the area, it will show the area. Now you might tell, I don't want to overlap those two areas. I want to stack and show the data. In that case, what you have to do is you have to click on this area, go to the attributes, and there is this option called as stack. Just check mark this, click on save, And let's now preview this page. Here if you see, the area is stacked up. It's not overlapped. And one more option over here is orientation. We can show in the horizontal orientation as well. In the appearance, let's change to horizontal and let's preview this page. Here if you see, this looks little ugly, but based on your requirement, you can customize this graph and based on your customer's expectation. Let's change back to the vertical, click on save. Let me scroll down and we will try to customize this legend as well. Suppose if you are not interested in showing that legend, you can just scroll down and you can uncheck this, click on save. And let's now preview. When you preview, this legend will be removed. Let's now preview this page. Yeah, legend is gone. It is no more showed. Adding the legend is a good practice because it will improve the user experience. Let's add back this legend. Let me click on save. And position, I will tell I don't want on the right side. I want to show at the top. And also you can have rescale, no rescaling. These options you can put, and the font family also you can select what you want to have the font family. Better to always go with the automatic or default. Click on run. Now it is shown at the top, that is the legend, and user can select, and also the font family I have changed. Now let's assume your customer might ask, I don't want to see these sharp edges, rather I want to see the rounded edges or the rounded or curved line over here or the area. In that case, what you can do is we can go for the series, and specifically for a series you can change the appearance of this particular line. Currently the line is shown as automatic, that is the straight line. I want to show in the curved. Let's see how this will look like. That is for skill store 1 I will be changing. Click on run. That is for skill store 1. Now it is shown in the curved area. So this is how the line will represent it if you change over here. Now if I want to show the marker, then I can tell I want to show the marker, that is here I want to show the marker showing that there is the product and the quantity available. And the type of marker you can change, I can show human for this. And for the corner cafe, I will change this to line, I will change to the stepped, and marker I will make this as star, that is for the corner cafe. Let's preview and see how this area will be changed. We told like we want curved area for our skill store 1. Let's see only the corner cafe. For corner cafe we had told we want to show the marker in the star and it should be stepped. Let's only see the skill store. For skill store we are having a human marker and the line is shown in a curved. So this is how you can represent the data using the area chart using Oracle Apex very beautifully, that is by using the Oracle Jet inbuilt charts. In our coming classes, we will see how to make use of bar chart and line chart, and subsequently we will see further more concepts. Suppose if you are wondering if there is any starter application in Marketplace or in Gallery using which I can see all the charts available in Oracle Apex, which we can visually see before we implement the same in our applications, then the answer is yes. There is already an application which is built by Oracle and it is updated from time to time as and when Oracle adds the new chart in the Oracle Apex. In order to access or install this app, we have to go to the gallery. And here you can just search with the keyword chart. There will be a sample chart. Click on install. So this is going to install all the components behind the scene like tables and also the data. So we'll wait for a couple of seconds until it successfully installs all the components. Done. It has successfully installed all the components. Once installed, install button will be replaced with edit and play. Let's go to the app builder and scroll down. Here is the sample chart. Click on this. There are n number of pages which are created by Oracle and these are updated from time to time. Let's preview this application. This is how my application will look like, that is for sample charts. Now if you are interested in knowing how to represent the data using the range chart, let's click on this range chart. So this is how the range chart will look like, and different ways how you can plot the data, like a bar area, it's represented over here, and also the pyramid. If you see, it's represented like this. Suppose if you want to know how to represent the data using pie chart, you can just have a look at this, and there are various representations of this pie chart. And if user clicks on one of the pie, it will take the user to the interactive grid to show more data. So this is one of the way how we can install the starter application in our instance. One more method is you can anytime go to the Google or any of your favorite search engines, just search like this Oracle Apex chart. You will see this Oracle Apex sample chart link, which will be having this ORDS, Apex PM and the sample chart. Just click on this. Here Oracle will be showing the list of all the charts which are available at the time you are implementing the same in your project. So currently if you want to plot the data using area, you can just click on this area and you can see how you can represent the data using area. There are a number of horizontal, vertical line, so on and so forth. As per your requirement, you can use the same. So with this, you don't have to always install this application in your instance. You can anytime go to the Google or directly to the oracleapex.com and have a look at this application. And you can see what are the ways how you can represent the data using the Oracle Jet supported chart components in the Oracle Apex application.